Hey everyone, it's Ola Yinks. I'm going to be showing you today how to mute and unmute those students. So let's start by hitting Meet Now. I like to use the computer audio. You can change the settings at this point. Now, in order to mute our students, we're going to click on those three small dots. Scroll down to Meeting Options. Now we're going to use our last option, and this particular option is what allows us to mute and unmute students. Right now students are unmuted, but we're going to mute them. Make sure it's grayed out and hit save. So our students are currently muted. If, for example, we would like to unmute one particular student but keep everybody else muted, hit on show participants. Hover over to that particular student's name and click on those three buttons. Now, this will allow that particular student to unmute. Notice the icon is currently grey, and when you click it, it should turn white, like how mine is. Now the student will talk and give their contribution. Maybe they might be asking a question. When they are done, please don't forget to hit Don't Allow to Unmute. This will mute the student back and make sure that they do not have the option to talk or interrupt your lesson as they are currently unmuted. But we're going to make sure that they are muted again by hitting Don't Unmute. Thank you so much, guys, for coming and watching another video. Make sure you hit subscribe.